Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a tuck knee plant. Now with the new update of Season 2 Skate, they've added a heap of new plant variations which you can do to change up your trick lines, and I'll show you how to do the tuck knee. Now first things first, all you need to really know is to do a tuck knee plant, you just need to do a regular hand plant by using RB. And you'll need to tweak your board by holding the right stick to the left. Now, I am playing on goofy stance, so if you're regular, it will be inverted. However, for a tuck knee on goofy, you will need to approach the quarter pipe at a front side direction, meaning that when I'm approaching the quarter pipe, I'll need to be approaching it like this, so that my front side and my hand correlate properly. So to put it all together, I'll jump on my board, approach front side, RB, and stick to the left, just like that. We've done a tuck knee plant. Thanks for watching, and if there's any other things you need help with on Skate 4, let me know, and I'll be sure to cover them in a future video. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.